Here is our website, which looks great on desktop. But what about mobile? In this episode, we'll focus entirely on making the page mobile-friendly. We'll use AI to audit the page, identify mobile issues, and fix them. By the end, the page will look and work better across mobile devices. Let's go to the same chat we used last time in Claude. We are going to use it because it already knows about the code, and only has one extra prompt. Let's write our prompt for AI to inspect the site for mobile issues. Review the HTML, CSS, and JS code for mobile optimization issues. Check for all possible issues like small tab targets, font scaling problems, overflow issues, heavy animations that could hurt mobile performance, and anything that might break on screens smaller than 768px. List all issues clearly. Here we used 768px for the breakpoint, because it is the industry standard boundary used to separate mobile layouts from tablet layouts in responsive web design. Here we specifically asked the AI to check the things we wanted to verify, and then asked it to find anything else it could. It's a good practice to ask AI to look for additional issues on its own, especially if you're unsure whether you covered everything in your prompt. Send it and wait for the results. It is now reading the files. Still working on it. It checked the site properly and outlined all the mobile responsiveness issues it found. Let's go through them. These are the tap target issues. It means that these elements are either too small or don't have enough space around them for people to easily tap them with their fingers on mobile devices. These are the font scaling issues. It means that some text does not scale properly when users increase the font size on their mobile devices, which can make the content difficult to read or cause layout and usability problems. These are overflow issues, which means that content is either overlapping other content or extending beyond the viewport. These are performance concerns that involve heavy or resource-intensive features or elements on the web page. Here we have some hover issues. Some other considerations. Here, it's asking whether we want to fix these issues and the order in which the fixes will be applied. Looks okay, so we'll simply say yes. Send it, and wait for the results. Here you go. Let's check the results. Dang. What? Really? Maybe because it had to do deep research and thorough work to find and fix mobile issues. Well, we are not going to upgrade anyway, not at least in this beginner guide. So, Let's see what we can do. Hope so it gave us the download. Yep, looks like it did. Let's check if it did all the changes. Looks like it did. Let's download it now. Here it is. First, we need to create a backup of the current project files. Go to the project folder. Copy the files. And paste them inside the Backup 1 folder. We don't need to keep the previous version, so just replace them. Now, let's go to the Downloads folder. Here is the downloaded archive. Extract it here. Copy the files. And paste them into our project folder. This method of updating project files is much easier than copying and pasting code into individual files one by one. Now, let's check the live preview. Hard refresh first. Let's check if there are any visible issues in the desktop version. It looks fine. Only these dots have a larger gap now, probably because of the tap target fixes. Let's check the mobile version. Oops, the slideshow got messed up. The images are gone, and the transition doesn't stop on hover either. Let's change the width to check for which viewports we have this issue. Okay, it is not working for viewports having less or equal to 900 pixel width. Let's check if there are any other issues. First is navigation, which looks okay on this resolution. But let's test on mobile resolutions. Looks okay here. Oh, the menu doesn't look good in mobile view. Let's check for which screen sizes. It's for screens having less than 330 pixels width. Let's check the other sections of the website. Buttons look okay. Here I think we need two-column layout. The rest looks fine. Contact form looks okay too. Now let's test on different devices. From this menu, you can select different devices to quickly test your website on them. Let's select iPhone 14. iPhone 14 looks good too. Just here we need two-column layout in the skill section. Now select Galaxy S25 Ultra, which looks okay too. Let's test iPad. iPad also looks good. Let's test the navigation. Looks okay. Let's check laptop. Looks okay. Let's check a few other devices. Let's check on an older phone, like Galaxy S10. Overall, it looks okay, which leaves us with only 3 issues. The first is the slideshow images, the second is the scroll bar in the mobile menu, and the third is the 2-column layout for the skills section. We need to wait for 5 hours for Claude's limit to reset. Then, we'll proceed further. Okay, we are back to Claude again. We'll create a new chat, as the previous one got extensive enough for the free plan. Let's add our prompt for the 3 responsive fixes we discussed. Here is our HTML, CSS, and JS-based website, where we have some issues in mobile responsive layout. The slideshow images are appearing as dots instead of images, as shown in screenshot. Fix it and optimize the layout. Desktop is okay. Here, we are also attaching a screenshot to help the AI better understand the issue. We are also asking it not to modify the desktop version, to avoid unnecessary changes and prevent the AI from breaking one thing while fixing another. When we open the menu using hamburger icon, a horizontal scroll bar appears on screens smaller than 330px, which should not appear. The skills section shows 1 item per row in mobile view. It should show 2 items per row. In these 2 tasks, we also explained the problem and told the AI what solution we wanted. Now, let's take the screenshot. We are using this Fireshot extension to take screenshots. Let's see how much we need. This is okay, I think. Let's copy it. And paste it in Claude. Since this is a new chat, we also need to provide the website files. Let's attach them. Here they are. We can make a zip archive directly from here. Select the archive and let it attach. Let's send the prompt and wait for the results. It's reading the files now. It's going to check the site on its local server. It's testing each and everything properly. This is really amazing. Testing at various widths. It's now checking the slideshow issues. It's now checking the navbar issue. Looks like there is some issue with the contacts section, but we'll see. Okay, it actually started editing the files now. Earlier it was diagnosis and testing. It's amazing. Now, it is running automated checks. Wow. Here we go. It tested, fixed, and verified everything properly. At least this is what it says. Here it fixed the slideshow issue. See this? It says the contact form was causing the hamburger menu scrollbar issue because of browser default minimum field widths. Skills layout issue is also fixed. Now, let's download the files and test. Extract. Copy. Here we already have a backup of current files, which we uploaded to the AI, so we can just paste the files directly here. Now, let's check the live preview. Aha! It's fixed. Let's do a hard refresh. Looks good. Let's see the other sections. This is also nice. Everything looks okay now. We can now check the layout on different devices. It looks okay on all of them. Let's check the navigation. It looks good. This was all about making a website mobile responsive with the help of AI. In the next episode, we'll learn how to use AI for SEO. Watch it using the video card in the bottom right corner of the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.